Hi everybody, I'm Matt Bright, Policy Advisor for the Climate and Energy Program at Third Way. I made a map that shows the location of carbon capture use and storage projects across the globe. These projects are critical for achieving net zero emissions by 2050, and they provide enormous opportunities for economic growth across the globe. What's more, these projects might be a lot closer to your community than you thought. So join me today as I demonstrate how to use Third Way's carbon capture use and storage map to explore the CCS universe. Thank you.
First, you can see that the map offers two main views, the United States and the world. To keep it simple, we'll stick with the default view, which is the United States. Underneath the map view filter, we have 4 different map layers. It's a little counterintuitive, but if you click all, it depopulates the map and you're left with a big blank screen. From there, you can build up the map layers. So let's start by selecting projects. Now you can see all of the different carbon capture use and storage projects in the United States. By clicking on saline storage, the map will be populated with blue areas where you can safely inject carbon dioxide into underground saline storage basins. After that, clicking on oil and gas reservoirs shows in gray the various areas where you can also store carbon dioxide in oil and gas reservoirs. Finally, selecting congressional district will overlay a congressional district's map over the United States. Underneath the map layers filter, there are different types of useful information. You can search for projects by project type. There are 6 of those. You can search for the state or province in which the carbon capture project is found, or by the congressional district where the project is located. At the bottom of the screen, to make it easier to search just for one type of project, we have thumbnails. So you can click on BECCS, for instance, and what will appear on the map is just the BECCS projects. Notice that these BECCS projects are color-coded differently, and that's because each project is accompanied by a different status. They could be in planning, construction, pilot, operational, or pilot retired. This map has all sorts of useful information. For example, if you want to sort by congressional district, click on all, and it will depopulate the map, and then we can search for projects in one congressional district, say the Illinois 13. By selecting Illinois 13, you can see that there are 2 projects. Each one node is colored differently. And finally, by selecting on an individual project, a text box pops up with all sorts of useful information. The name of the project, which is the Illinois Industrial Carbon Capture Facility, its project status in parentheses, operational, its project type, BECCS, where it's found, Decatur, Illinois, its congressional district, Illinois 13, and finally its carbon storage rate in metric tons per year, in this case 1 million. At the bottom of the text box, you can see that there is a 1-sentence description of the facility, and finally you can click on a web link and it will take you to a website that explains more about this specific project. We hope you'll find this map useful to explore and learn more about the vast array of carbon capture, use, and storage projects across the world. Thank you.